Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding a polynomial of a given degree with given zeros. Now we use the factor theorem when we're doing this. We're told to find a degree 3 polynomial that has these 3 zeros. Now this is just a value, right? So the factor, if 4 is a 0, is going to be x minus 4. The factor for the next one is x minus 3 square root 2. And the factor for the last one is x minus negative 3 square root 2. So that simplifies a little bit before we have to multiply out to x minus 3 square root 2 times x plus 3 square root 2. Now we're going to go ahead and simplify this. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these two to the last two together first, because we're going to have some subtraction going on. So let's multiply x times x and get x squared. X times 3 square root 2, so plus 3 square root 2x. Then minus 3 square root 2x. You see how those two cancel? And then plus 3 square root 2 times negative 3 square root 2. And this is all multiplied still by x minus 4. So what is this right side going to simplify to? X squared. Those two go to 0, add to be 0, and then minus, so 3 times 3, and then square root of 2 times 2, which is 4. Now 9 times the square root of 4 is 9 times 2. So this turns into x squared minus 18, and that's multiplied by x minus 4. That looks a little bit nicer, but we can simplify even more by multiplying that through. So we get x cubed minus 18x minus 4x squared plus 72. Simplify it a little bit more, and we get our function equals x cubed minus 18x minus 4x squared plus 72. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem. This problem's a little bit different because we have a factor or a 0 that has multiplicity 2. So remember, if 4 is a 0, then x minus 4 is a factor, right? But it has multiplicity 2, so that factor happens 2 times. And then we're going to have x minus negative 6 as a factor. And then x minus 0, don't forget that x minus 0. 0 is still a 0. Okay, so when we multiply this all together, it's going to be x minus 4 squared. This one says to leave it in factored form, which is nice. X plus 6 times x. Now typically we can rearrange some terms, and we have our x first. So x times x minus 4 squared times x plus 6. We can even rearrange it again and have the x plus 6 and x minus 4 factors swap, as long as that squared is still attached to the x minus 4. So that is a degree 4 polynomial with those exact zeros.